across Metro Atlanta are all stepping up just to support those impacted. Atlanta Mayor Andre Dickens says he's already reached out to state leaders offering help. The city of Atlanta is also keeping a very close eye on conditions as well. But the reality of the recovery is really just the beginning for so many families out there. But here's the thing. They're not facing this alone at all. We have already seen just a huge outpouring of support. And we know a lot of people want to help out, but you want to make sure that help is actually going to the people directly impacted. I want to go ahead and bring in Nicole Williams, who's joining us now live in the studio. Nicole, you actually talked to some organizations helping out with donations. So they're pulling together resources really across the state right now.
That's right, TJ. I talked to people from both the Salvation Army and the American Red Cross today. They've set up in counties hit hardest by the fires, providing whatever they can for people in need.
Wildfires in southeast Georgia are still rapidly burning. People who volunteer and work for the American Red Cross, some of them from Metro Atlanta, are set up in the most badly burned areas to help.
We've got at least 35 volunteers and staff assigned to help on this disaster.
Drought conditions are adding fuel to the flames. So far, close to 100 homes burned to the ground in Brantley County.
It's just such a tragic and heartbreaking time for these folks who have been impacted.
Planes flying over areas in the fire's path, trying to put out these raging flames, while officials try to figure out the causes. Governor Brian Kemp surveyed the fire damage in Brantley County Friday. The governor says the fire could have started when a balloon landed on a power line, but local officials are still investigating that.
Right now, there's no clear, certain, definitive answer to how this fire started. We do know that we have not seen any clear evidence of any arson, but I can tell you that still could be the case.
2 shelters have opened up in the area for families with no place to go.
One in Lake Park and the other in Brunswick.
Flexner says one man told them he lost everything he owned.
He, his fiance, and kids evacuated. Their house has been lost in the fire. They came to the Red Cross. We were able to help them replace some medications that had been lost in the fire and help them with some resources and recovery.
More help will be needed for them and many others struggling to get back on their feet and recover from these devastating fires.
Flexner says just $20 will help them provide 3 meals a day to someone impacted by the fire.
And Nicole, I mean, really every little bit helps out, especially when times like this take place. But here's the thing, a lot of people are just simply afraid of donating because of the fundraising scams out there. There's so many of them. That's
right, and that's why it's important to know exactly who you're giving to. The American Red Cross officials say 1-800-RED-CROSS and redcross.org are their main gates of communication, so people will know they're giving to the right entity.